Next up, researcher's dilemma for Black Mous. First, we need to find the researcher's notes in the Vondel Zoo veterinary office and place the researcher's note on the second floor of the church near the castle in the same deployment, and finally take the false notes from the church and place them in the veterinary's office in the same deployment. It's a huge back and forth from the far south to the far north, and of course, we need a key. The veterinary office is located all the way here on the southwest of the Vondel map in the zoo, in this stronghold location here. It's not always a stronghold, but sometimes it is. And if it is, you will need a stronghold keycard to get into it, which is a bit unfortunate as I don't have one currently. Maybe we'll find one from AI on our way there, so we'll just make sure to play aggressively while we're traveling. Alright, there we go, we picked up a stronghold keycard. Now to get out of here. There are enemy players shooting at me, so I definitely don't want to stick around for a very long time. Alright, so driving straight towards the zoo, we should be able to get what we needed in the vet's office. So heading all the way to the far southwest of this, we should be able to simply hop in here. Well, I guess we can't do that while it's a stronghold, but regardless, you can usually hop in the window here, making life a little bit easier. So we'll need to go around for this first. And of course, do keep in mind that there is quite a bit of AI in the area, usually tier 1, but it's not always that difficult. Now, should this be a stronghold, there will be some higher tier guards in here, but nothing too crazy. Oh, and also the odd shieldy boy. Right, so now we're inside of here. We'll have a look around for anything useful. Right, so downstairs here we have this door, which is locked by the veterinarian key, and it is the animal care room. On the other side, we'll also have a double door, but these both lead to the same place, and you will need the veterinarian's key in order to get in here. So, what exactly is behind the veterinarian key's door here? Well, in the animal care room, we have a medkit, an AR, a Signal 50, a bag on the bed here, a few fridges which aren't filled with anything too crazy, a restaurant briefcase key, quite useful, an orange box with a triple plate in it, but that's really about it for the majority of the loot in here. There's nothing too crazy. Alright, so here are the Vondel gas research notes. We'll pick these up, and with these, all we need to do now is head to the castle in the same deployment, which is located all the way up here, and the church should be all the way over here just above this buy station. We have quite a long way to travel, especially considering there's 4 minutes left of this map. Now I think we could probably come back in another mission, but of course you will need the veterinarian key once more to get it back if you do this over multiple missions, so hopefully we can get this finished. The radiation zone is right next to where I need to start. We might not make it out of this map alive. Alright, so ditching the car and heading straight for the church here, we'll need to head across and avoiding the obvious radiation zone here as it will be filled with AI. I'm quite sure the church is right over here with the buy station in it, once again on the southwest side of this castle island here. We need to get to the roof, so I'll climb up, head into this bell tower section over here, and down 1 floor. Just like that. You'll find the false gas notes here, as well as a padded rifle box, and we should need to place these somewhere. So we'll need to just pick up the false ones first, and after picking it up, we can place down the actual notes. Now we can climb back up, and we need to head all the way back down to the place that we got these notes from originally, all the way on the other side of the map. So here comes a lot more traveling. Now essentially, we'll be placing the notes in pretty much the exact same spot that we picked them up from. So prepare yourself for a trek back. Grabbing ourselves a vehicle, heading all the way back down south, marking where we'll need to turn here. We should be able to head straight back to the stronghold. I should have gone that other way, that was actually a lot quicker. And over here, we can get back inside. I don't have time for the AI. And into the veterinarian's room here, where we'll head back to the counter and place the notes just like that. We've now completed researcher's dilemma. That's really about it for this super quick guide, and now it's left to me to get out of this map before the gas zone expands too much. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.